gas. A big component of the art department is the construction of all these sets. It's a lot of construction.
I worked here, originally I went to America and we discussed what we were going to do, and I came back and I worked here in Sydney and made some plans, and then Hugh came on for a while and we worked together, and then we started to shoot.
We've got 16 sets up at the moment in the 5 stages. They start shoot today. One set, and some of the sets we're in for only half a day. There's a lot of movement between areas in the second film that moves at a pretty fast pace, so they do a lot of sort of travelling between spaces. And 5 stages and 140 sets in 8 months is a bit of a nightmare. So it's going to be pretty tough for those guys for the next 8 months. This is our usual Monday afternoon comedy review, where we try and go through everything and see if we're up to date. So we should get our first rushes clearance on Monday and go and start pulling down the sets. As soon as you start building, start pulling them down. That's great. This is the coordination area of the art department. Being such a big movie, we need to have a few people around here who take care of us and take care of day-to-day business. Art director's den. They do what art directors do most of the time. The design, the heart of the construction area, these people take care of all the plans for all the sets after the concepts are done.
There's 3 art directors. We split up the sets into our various components and who was going to do what. So most of the Super Brawl is all mine, and Catherine's doing a lot of the Zion stuff, and Charlie's doing a lot of a lot of fight sequences and a lot of second unit.
Computer design area. We have various things. Jonathan's doing the Sentinel. Andrew's been doing a lot of the Zion stuff that we had started in America. We're finishing off over here and turning into working drawings that our construction guys can understand and read. Screen graphics area, which we're doing our own in-house manufacture of all our screen graphics for the Nebuchadnezzar, the control room, and the whole interface is happening in this area over here. Basically, by having it in-house, we get to fiddle around more with it and get more out of it rather than farm it out. We have in this building in a minute a set design department, set decoration. We've got our coordinating department up there with PAs and apprentices and all sorts of people. And on the other half of the building, we've got about another 50 people over there who work for the prop manufacture department. They'll make up all props and dressings and weapons that the wire guys want to use, and just about everything.
Just a smooth left to right. That's enough. Very smooth look down.
Everything I think flows from Larry and Andy's mind, and to be able to take that along with everyone else on this kind of journey from being a written word to a drawing on a piece of paper to an image to something that's physically built or imaginarily built in a computer is a wonderful thing.